safety information notices are located throughout this train.
Good morning, guys. Hi, we're having our breakfast, and it's already
This is not our breakfast.
11:44.
This is our breakfast.
Well, that's our breakfast.
Really? Oh yeah.
Right, guys. So we will be going for a trip. Yeah.
No, this is our breakfast.
Right. So we will finish first our breakfast because we're starving. So I'll see you later. We went to the church as well, guys. Today. So it's Palm Sunday.
The back from under that train.
So we're here in Cowden Beef train station. Then we will be going to our friend, and then we will be going to Avimore.
We always say to each other.
Hi guys, so we're already here in the hotel. Look, so that's our hotel there. So I'll see you later. So we're here after 3 hours of drive. So that's our hotel.
Come on. Vicky. Let's see our one. Mama, do you know how to even use a Hi guys, we're not here.
This is our room.
Ooh. Ooh. Come on, can you try and look at ours? Whoa.
Hi guys, so we're already here in our room. So we will give you a quick room tour. Yeah. So right, okay, Alberti. This is our toilet, right? So it's a nice toilet. It's very clean. So there's a toilet here. We have our sink. So that's the bathtub and the shower, and we have a mirror. Right guys, so now I'm gonna show you. So we have here a, what is this? So we have here a cabinet, guys, where we can put our jacket, right? And then, so basically just, you know, where to put all your, these one, right? And our jackets, right? And then we have here our coffee, tea and coffee. So we have 2 cups, we have this, and we also have some coffee, and we have some milk and sugar. And we have here a
desk.
so we have here a desk or table. We have here a telly, guys, right? And then we have some chairs, We have this table, chairs, and we have a window over here. And this is our bed. So this is a double, I think it's a double bed, but it looks huge. Yeah, so this is our double bed. Yeah, so that's it for the room tours. So for me, it's really nice. It's clean, and you know, it looks really decent for £102 for 2 nights with breakfast plus £30 dinner credit for one of the nights and for 2 people. So yeah. So I'm going to have some coffee, guys. So I really love our room, and it's very clean and it's very cozy. So we have, look, and I have my coffee, and I'm gonna sit in the sitting area. Well, I think it's called sitting area. Right, okay. And I have a heater. It's warm in here. Right, I think I'm just gonna go here. So, how was the room? Yeah? You like the room? So we will have a quick walk, and so we will just rest for maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we will be going out again to see the neighborhood. And yeah, I'm a bit tired, so I'll see you later.
Hers, but she gave it.
I know, but it's still mine.
No,
Yes.
it's now mine.
Guys, we're going on a mission. I'm just kidding. We're just trying to have a wee walk in the neighborhood where we stayed. So I'm gonna look at those kids there. So it's really nice place. It's a very livable. Livable, is that the right word? But we're going up on a hill, and the weather is good because it's not really windy.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is protect. I'm protecting. I can't bring my iPad. I'm gonna put the suitcase on. You have to stay there for an hour. Wait, I'll bring. Hi Hi guys, we're in bed
We're in bed, guys, so we will be sleeping.
in our bedroom. Hope you like and subscribe, and we hope that you enjoyed our trip. Like and subscribe and share to see and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.